Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Windows for a targeted fix. Open Device Manager and identify any display adapter warnings. Download the latest GPU driver from the manufacturer rather than relying on Windows Update, because vendor drivers include bug fixes and optimizations. Once done, create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to note your current driver version. Then, reboot into normal mode and proceed to uninstall the old driver using Programs and Features or the in Safe mode. Now focus on a clean driver replacement. Reboot into Safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to remove residual files and registry keys. This prevents conflicts. Once Windows restarts, run the vendor installer and choose the Custom or Clean Install option to overwrite old components. While installing, make sure power and performance settings match your use case, because low power modes can throttle the GPU. After installation, restart. Then check resolution, refresh rate, and GPU control panel to confirm expected behavior. Finish by validating the repair. Run a quick benchmark or play a graphics-heavy scene to confirm stability and proper output. Log any artifacting or crashes. If the issue continues, return to your system restore point or use the driver rollback option, because a recent update might be incompatible. Make sure to collect event viewer entries, DXDiag output, and GPU driver logs to diagnose deeper faults. These details are crucial when you escalate to vendor support. One tip: test another GPU or cable to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.